and welcome to the Track in a Week. I'm Tamer and this is the Music Production Diary. This week we have a really fast track going on with lots of parts, so it might be overwhelming at some points, but the feeling is quite uplifting. I started from a sketch track which I had done in an hour at one session. I had done the sketch from an inspiration picture and I thought of mind exploding or something like that. I didn't like that bleeping sound and I wanted to add a guitar loop to balance all the synths. In the first round I had done the full arrangement, but it was too full and not really exciting. So after I had placed the guitar samples, I played the whole piece live to get some good feeling in it. In the next session I listened to the live arrangement. It had its moments, but it wasn't a great one. I listened to the original and I felt that it had more potential. Then I got rid of some parts and I shortened the track a lot to get things working better. At this point there was no more than 3 parts playing at once, and I try to keep things simple because then you really have to measure the quality of your ideas. And one time my mate said that you have everything going on in your tracks and there's a shitload of things too. So I took the advice and tried to keep it simple. I was listening the whole thing and the synth part worked pretty good, but there was something missing. And I reached for my sample library to dig out some loops. I often feel that my tracks are missing some rhythmic movement, so the plan was find a loop, but instead of a loop I came across with some good sounding one-shots. So I collected some of what I liked to the drum rack, which I doubled. I kept the original groove, but I added the new sounds in it. I also added some new hits and the groove really exploded. Really nice, fast stuff. Then I unmuted the original 909 track and I loved it. The track started to work and we are on our way to mixing. After the mastering, I wasn't feeling particularly good about the track. The sounds were a little bit masked, so I think the mixing wasn't spot on. Too much energy in the low end, I suppose. But the track is done and let's try to learn from mistakes. That's it, and if you would like to hear the full track, go to my SoundCloud page. Link is in description. If you would like to see something from me, please leave a comment below. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next week with another Track in a Week.